In this segment, we're going to show how to conduct a difference in means t-test using SPSS. In order to do that, we're going to load data still from our life expectancy World Bank data. So we're going into the data file and the data set. Called life expectancy CSV. So here's our file. We'll open that. And as always, when we go into SPSS, next, we have variable names at the top. We want all of the cases. They're comma delineated. And we'll finish. And here are the data. We have country, year, and what we call expect, that's life expectancy. We have 1990 values and 2010 values. So we do analyze, compare means, independent samples t-test. Our test variable is life expectancy, expect. The year is our grouping variable. We need to define our groups. Group 1 is 1990. Group 2 is 2010. Continue. We can look at our options here. Since we're working at the 99th percent level, we'll continue. Okay. And here are the results. As you can see, here's the mean for 1990, 64.56. The mean for 2010, 69.3990, 69.40. Our standard deviations of 10.35 and 9.92. Down below here, this is Levain's test for equality of variance, and the F value here is 0.587. That's not significant, so those variances are not significantly different. It means we have common variance. The t value, minus 4.61, it's comparing 1990 to 2010. Degrees of freedom that we found, 372. We are significant that p is less than 3 zeros and a 1. The mean difference, 4.84, like we found. Standard error of the difference, 1.05, just as we found using Excel. And our confidence interval at 99%, 2.12 through 7.55. So you can see that SPSS did everything that we did by hand, and it did it in milliseconds. So as I've been saying, it's good to know how to do it by hand so you know what's inside the black box, but more important, you really need to know how to do this difference in means t-test using SPSS.